In this tutorial, we are going to learn how you can hide or show notifications to only new visitors. It's really simple. Go to notifications, choose the notification you want to show to new visitors and click on edit. Now navigate to display and in segmentation, you will see this option returning or new visitors. Turn it on and you will have an option to select conditions. Here we have three conditions. First is all. That means notification will be visible to all the visitors. Second is a new visitor and third is returning visitor. The name itself explains its functions. You can select new visitor if you want to display notification to only new visitors. Remember, the condition new visitors does not mean that we will never display notification to them ever again. A visitor will be counted as new for only 24 hours. That means if a visitor visits your website after 24 hours, the notification will be displayed to them again. The notification will be hidden for the first 24 hours of the visit only. Similarly, you can select return visitors and the same condition works in all cases. So that's how you can target notification to returning and new visitors. If you face any issues while setting this up, connect with us on a live chat or reach us at support@wisernotify.com.